Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about a specific financial tool, how to do a cash advance on your Capital One credit card. It's important to understand this process fully. While a cash advance can seem like a quick solution for immediate cash needs, it comes with significant costs. We will walk through the steps. We will also highlight the important things you must know before you decide to take one out. First, let's understand what a cash advance is. It's when you use your credit card to get actual cash. This cash can come from an ATM or a bank teller. It's different from a regular purchase. You are borrowing money directly. This money is then added to your credit card balance. Now, how do you actually get a cash advance from Capital One? First, you need to check your cash advance limit. This limit is usually much lower than your regular credit limit. You can find this information on your Capital One statement. You can also check your online account or call customer service. Second, have your PIN ready. You will need a personal identification number, PIN, for most cash advances. If you don't have a PIN or can't remember it, you will need to request one from Capital One. This can take a few days to arrive by mail. Do not wait until an emergency to get your PIN. Third, using an ATM is the most common method. Insert your Capital One credit card into the ATM. Select the cash advance or withdrawal option. Enter your PIN. Choose the amount of cash you want. The ATM will dispense the money. Remember, ATMs often have their own daily withdrawal limits too. Fourth, you can visit a bank branch. You might need to go to a bank that accepts Visa or Mastercard, depending on your Capital One card type. Present your credit card and a valid photo ID to the teller. Request a cash advance. The teller will process it for you. Fifth, consider convenience checks if your card offers them. These are checks linked to your credit card account. You can write them out to yourself or someone else. When the check is cashed, the amount is treated as a cash advance. This option is not available for all cards. It's crucial to understand the costs and risks involved. There are high fees. Capital One charges a cash advance fee. This is usually a percentage of the amount you take out. It can also be a flat minimum fee, whichever is greater. For example, it might be 5% of the advance or $10, whichever is more. This fee is added immediately to your balance. There are also high interest rates. Cash advances typically have a much higher annual percentage rate, APR, than regular purchases. This means you will pay more in interest. Another very important point is that there is no grace period. Unlike purchases, there is no interest-free grace period for cash advances. Interest starts accruing immediately from the moment you take out the cash. This means you start paying interest on day one. A cash advance can also impact your credit score. It increases your credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you are using compared to your total available credit. High utilization can negatively affect your credit score. Before taking a cash advance, consider other alternatives. A personal loan from a bank or credit union might have lower interest rates. Using an emergency fund is always the best option if you have one. Borrowing from friends or family could also be less costly. In summary, a cash advance on your Capital One card is possible. However, it's an expensive option. Always prioritize understanding the fees and interest rates involved. Think about whether it's truly your best or only option for immediate cash. Thank you for watching and learning about this important financial topic. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and guides. We appreciate your support.